In this video, I'll show you how to add full image upload support to Oracle AJAX Rich Text Editor, including database storage, image processing, and inline display, all done step by step. This table stores uploaded images from the Rich Text Editor. It keeps the image file, blob, file name, MIME type, who uploaded it, when it was uploaded, and a reference ID to link it with content. app_RTE_content stores the actual Rich Text Editor content. It contains the text body, a reference ID to link related images, and the creation date. This package defines two procedures. Upload_RTE_image uploads an image from the Rich Text Editor and stores it in the database. Add_content saves the Rich Text Editor content and links it with its images using image_ref_id. This is the package body where the real logic is implemented. The upload_RTE_image procedure starts here. It will convert the base 64 image, generate a unique file name, and then save the image into the database. This part of the package body converts base 64 image to blob, generates a unique file name, inserts the image into app_RTE_images table, returns a JSON URL back to the Rich Text Editor so the image can be displayed inline. This marks the end of the upload_RTE_image procedure. By this point, the image is fully saved and the JSON response has already been sent back to the Rich Text Editor. Since I used page 4 in the URL, page 4 will handle image display. So I must create the download process on page 4 because this page will serve the image back to the browser. Now I have created page 4 and named it download image. Create the process. On page 4, in Page Designer under Pre-rendering before header, right-click and choose Create Process. This code fetches the image blob and MIME type from the app_RTE_images table using the unique file name, and then apex_http.download streams that image back to the browser so it displays inline. Now I'm going to upload my supporting files. From shared components, I'm uploading to JavaScript files and one CSS file into static application files. These files will handle the Rich Text Editor configuration, image upload behavior, and styling for image display. Next, I'm creating a Rich Text Editor page. On this page, I created a Rich Text Editor item named Content. Then I created another hidden item called image ref ID. This ID will work as a linking key between the content and all uploaded images. For this item, I set a default expression so every time the page loads, this expression generates a unique ID using sys_GUID, so each content gets its own image reference key. Inside the rich text editor item, under initialization JavaScript function, I added this code. This code configures the editor to support image upload. We need to set the static file URL in the page's JavaScript section. Then I saved the page and ran it. We can now see that an option has appeared here to upload an image. After loading and testing, an error appeared. So we need to create an AJAX call. For that, I will now go to Shared Components and then open Application Processes. Click on the Create button. Give the process a name and set the process point to AJAX callback. This application process reads the incoming JSON, takes the image ref ID from it, and then calls my package to upload and save the image to the database. After that, it sends the image URL back to the rich text editor. Now I'm going to try it again. Now I'm not getting any errors because the JavaScript is calling the post_image application process as an AJAX callback. Earlier, the process was not being triggered properly, but now the rich text editor sends the image data through AJAX, the process runs in the background, uploads the image, and returns the correct response, so everything works smoothly. Now I can upload multiple images here as well. For each image, I can also set an alternate text, alt text. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more Oracle Apex tutorials. Thanks for watching.